ESG, or we call it sustainability, is still on evolving stage. We have seen the journey from Indian government by releasing NGRBC, then the BRSR, then the BRSR core. But still, there are various lessons to learn. One is very importantly that having the concept of assurance and assessment mandating to all the listed companies, then taking this entire sustainability framework even to unlisted companies. And one of the important factor I would say is that uh, BRSR is a irrespective of any specific sector. So I think we need a sector specific adaptation of NGRBC, wherein there are few hard to abate sectors which has different types of challenges that needs to be addressed by asking them different disclosure questions. So I think that is one of the important thing. Second important thing is about stakeholder engagement. Though there are a lot of talks and a lot of research studies on stakeholder engagement, but actively through the data, if the businesses can actually disclose that how and at what point of time they are engaging which stakeholder, that's very, very important. The mapping of stakeholders, the identification, and then engaging with them. Yeah, that's very enriching discussion we had today, and the panelists were also very distinguished panelists. I enjoyed, and I'm confident that this kind of sensitization will take the ESG journey forward in the corporate system. Also, just to mention that from Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs, we also do this kind of a conference, and the very next is on 2nd and 3rd July. So I'm glad to know that all the different stakeholders are working and taking this agenda forward with the right discussions. Thank you.